I love chocolate ice cream in summer.
I love chocolate ice cream in summer.
She bought an ice cream from the shop.
She bought an ice cream from the shop.
That is a very good idea.
That is a very good idea.
I have an idea for our next holiday.
I have an idea for our next holiday.
If it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home.
If it rains tomorrow, we will stay at home.
I will call you if I need help.
I will call you if I need help.
I like to imagine living in a big city.
I like to imagine living in a big city.
Can you imagine a world without music?
Can you imagine a world without music?
It is important to drink water every day.
It is important to drink water every day.
Family is very important to me.
Family is very important to me.
I want to improve my English speaking.
I want to improve my English speaking.
She reads every day to improve her vocabulary.
She reads every day to improve her vocabulary.
The cat is sleeping in the box.
The cat is sleeping in the box.
She lives in a small apartment.
She lives in a small apartment.
The price does not include breakfast.
The price does not include breakfast.
Please include your name on the form.
Please include your name on the form.
I need more information about the course.
I need more information about the course.
You can find information on the website.
You can find information on the website.
She has a big interest in art and music.
She has a big interest in art and music.
His interest in sports started when he was young.
His interest in sports started when he was young.
I am interested in learning about other countries.
I am interested in learning about other countries.
She is very interested in history.
She is very interested in history.
This book is very interesting to read.
This book is very interesting to read.
She told me an interesting story about her trip.
She told me an interesting story about her trip.
I use the internet to learn new things.
I use the internet to learn new things.
She found the information on the internet.
She found the information on the internet.
She has a job interview tomorrow morning.
She has a job interview tomorrow morning.
The interview was on TV last night.
The interview was on TV last night.
She walked into the room and sat down.
She walked into the room and sat down.
He put the books into his bag.
He put the books into his bag.
Let me introduce you to my friend.
Let me introduce you to my friend.
She will introduce the new teacher to the class.
She will introduce the new teacher to the class.
We visited a beautiful island last summer.
We visited a beautiful island last summer.
The island has many trees and beaches.
The island has many trees and beaches.
It is a sunny day today.
It is a sunny day today.
I like this book because it is very interesting.
I like this book because it is very interesting.
The dog is playing with its ball.
The dog is playing with its ball.
The tree lost its leaves in autumn.
The tree lost its leaves in autumn.
I wear my jacket when it is cold.
I wear my jacket when it is cold.
She has a beautiful red jacket.
She has a beautiful red jacket.
I like to wear jeans every day.
I like to wear jeans every day.
She bought new blue jeans at the shop.
She bought new blue jeans at the shop.
My father has a good job in the city.
My father has a good job in the city.
She wants to find a new job.
She wants to find a new job.
Can I join your group?
Can I join your group?
She wants to join the dance class.
She wants to join the dance class.
The journey to the beach takes 2 hours.
The journey to the beach takes 2 hours.
We had a long journey by train.
We had a long journey by train.
I drink orange juice every morning.
I drink orange juice every morning.
Would you like some apple juice?
Would you like some apple juice?
I just finished my homework.
I just finished my homework.
She just arrived at the station.
She just arrived at the station.
Please keep this book for me.
Please keep this book for me.
You can keep the pen.
You can keep the pen.
I cannot find my key.
I cannot find my key.
The key is on the table.
The key is on the table.
The school is 1 kilometer from my house.
The school is 1 kilometer from my house.
We walked 5 kilometers today.
We walked 5 kilometers today.
What kind of music do you like?
What kind of music do you like?
This kind of food is very good.
This kind of food is very good.
My mother is cooking in the kitchen.
My mother is cooking in the kitchen.
The kitchen is next to the living room.
The kitchen is next to the living room.
I know your name.
I know your name.
Do you know where she lives?
Do you know where she lives?
The farmer has a lot of land.
The farmer has a lot of land.
We can see land from the boat.
We can see land from the boat.
English is a beautiful language.
English is a beautiful language.
She can speak 3 languages.
She can speak 3 languages.
They live in a large house.
They live in a large house.
I would like a large pizza, please.
I would like a large pizza, please.
This is the last day of school.
This is the last day of school.
She was the last person to leave.
She was the last person to leave.
I am sorry I am late.
I am sorry I am late.
The bus is late today.
The bus is late today.
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
See you later.
See you later.
The children laugh at the funny movie.
The children laugh at the funny movie.
She has a beautiful laugh.
She has a beautiful laugh.
I want to learn to swim.
I want to learn to swim.
Children learn new things every day.
Children learn new things every day.
I leave home at 8 every morning.
I leave home at 8 every morning.
Please do not leave your bag here.
Please do not leave your bag here.
Turn left at the corner.
Turn left at the corner.
The bank is on the left.
The bank is on the left.
The dog has 4 legs.
The dog has 4 legs.
I hurt my leg yesterday.
I hurt my leg yesterday.
The English lesson starts at 9.
The English lesson starts at 9.
We have a music lesson today.
We have a music lesson today.
Please let me help you.
Please let me help you.
My parents let me go to the party.
My parents let me go to the party.
I wrote a letter to my friend.
I wrote a letter to my friend.
There is a letter for you.
There is a letter for you.
I go to the library every week.
I go to the library every week.
The library has many books.
The library has many books.
I like to lie on the beach.
I like to lie on the beach.
The cat likes to lie in the sun.
The cat likes to lie in the sun.
She has a happy life.
She has a happy life.
Life in the city is busy.
Life in the city is busy.
The light from the sun is very bright.
The light from the sun is very bright.
Please turn on the light.
Please turn on the light.
Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.